Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to use names and formulas in Excel. So when you're trying to create a named range or named constant through formulas, this tutorial will show you guys how to do it. So in order to actually name a range, we're going to start by doing the following. So I'm actually going to just type a couple random numbers in here first, just to give you guys an idea. So we're going to set this to be my range here. So once you have your range, you just want to highlight over your selection or just select a column or row. Doesn't really matter, but you want to go up to the formulas tab, so left click on the formulas, and then you want to left click on define name in the define names group. So left click on define name. So now at this point you can enter whatever name you want. So just say important numbers. Doesn't really matter, but as long as the name is correct and you want to make sure it refers to it's a correct sheet number as well, sheet name, and the scope if you want to set it to the entire workbook or just the one sheet, you can do that right through there. So pretty straightforward. Then left click on OK. So keep in mind you won't be able to put spaces in there, so I'm going to just have no spaces. They're just important numbers. I'm going to left click on OK. And there you go guys, now we have done that. So that was hopefully a pretty straightforward tutorial guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.